Yo, it's your boy Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, guys, and I'm telling you, this car is beautiful. I've done Bentleys, I've done Rolls Royces, I've done Ferraris, Lamborghinis, but this BMW, this new BMW, I'm telling you guys, the detail in this BMW is phenomenal. Okay, first they started off with putting this matte, we're talking about a matte black on this gloss. First it was gloss black, so they two-toned it, and I'm telling you, it looks so mean, so aggressive with this grille over here, I'm talking. This grille is just aggressive. Look at this mouth on this car. When this thing comes at you, it's phenomenal. It is crazy looking. Listen, it means move out my way, I'm coming through. We put the 24-inch wheels on here, all forged, Madison Frost on here. This thing is amazing with the BMW floating cab, fully forged wheel, sits perfect, drives amazing. The offset sits perfect on this car. And the interior, listen, it speaks for itself. You're talking about this kind of full TV that's, I have no idea how big it is. It's larger than the TV probably in my house back there. All touchscreen, gorgeous job. The seats are gorgeous. The car is beautiful. A1. Everything's digital in this car. The car is just mean. The car, listen, the detail in this car, what BMW did, you guys did a great job, guys, in this car. This car is phenomenal. It drives great. And when he rides down the street, it looks completely different now. Coast to Coast always got something new. Peace.
See him in my rear view. Switch. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds. Yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out. See me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot. Hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate. This is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm
Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and my guy said, listen, I got this Jeep I want you to do. It's for my wife, it's special. I wanted something completely custom on these wheels, but I want to make it unique to her. We wanted to put a little bit of white on the wheel. We wanted some white. We want to put some orange to accent that. But we want to put a little pink because we have some pink inside the car. You can't see the Jeep. You'll see when I'm finished with it. So I want to put some white, I want to put some orange, and I want to put some pink. And you've got to see these wheels. Come here. Working on this wheel right here. Now, you see that? This wheel doesn't come nothing like this. Powder coated the whole wheel white. Put the orange insets. Pink right here. We push pink in here. And then the cap, all white with the pink. I'm telling you guys, details, details, details. When you see the finished product, when I show you the finished product, when it's done, it is like a wow factor, guys. When you see this thing finished, it is look amazing. It's gonna look awesome. Like I said, there's something for everybody at Coast to Coast Customs. Jeeps, old schools, new vehicles, everything. Coast to Coast Customs, you want to get something custom and something designed, give me an opportunity anytime. Jeremy. Guys, I'm back at it again. And donks are donks, we're always doing a donk here. My homeboy said, Jeremy, I want something a little different. I want a 7-inch slip. I want to put a 7-inch slip on my car. A bunch of people put 7-inch slips. We had a short in the rear end, Moser axle, short in the rear end, new gears, new posi, new cover, new upper control arms and lower control arms adjustable on this car. Really nice, but I want something completely unique. The interior is going to be a Tiffany blue. So we custom powder coated these calipers Tiffany blue. Real nice, little detail. Goes a long way on these cars, man. That makes that unique to the person. Every car is different. There's so many donks out there, guys, and everyone's trying to make their own car to who they are. And that's what it needs to be. You need to worry about yourself. Build your car for what you like, guys. Always, man. Keep it original, keep it yourself. Coast to coast. Yo, Jeremy, Coast to Coast. You guys are sleeping on these wheels. I'm telling you, you're sleeping. I dropped it yesterday, and he dropped it today. He called me, he said, listen, I need these new wheels right away on my car. I said, no worries, I got you. You know, brand new.